Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Knowledged T&H. Today in this video we are going to know about velocity, acceleration, scalar and vector quantities. In our previous video we have made a video on speed. If you have missed that video, please see that video. Links are in the description. Coming to the topic, what is velocity? Velocity is the speed of an object moving in a definite direction. Velocity has both magnitude as well as direction, whereas speed has only magnitude. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second. For both speed and velocity, we have the same SI units, and the formula of velocity is displacement by time. What is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance from the initial point to the final point of an object. Now, through an example, we will know about velocity in detail. For example, suppose let the point A be your house. You are starting your journey from point A, so it is known as the initial point. And from point A to point B, where the point B is your school. So from point B you have went to point C, which is the park. So to complete this whole journey, it took 1 hour. And the point C is considered as the final point, as you have ended your journey at point C, and point A is the initial point, as you have started your journey from point A. Now let point A to point B. The distance between point A to point B is 3 kilometers, and the distance between point B to point C is 4 kilometers. So you have traveled total 7 kilometers. So the displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final point. So the displacement is AC. To calculate the displacement, we have to use Pythagoras theorem, where AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square equals to AB is 3 and AC and BC is 4. So 3 square plus 4 square. AC square equals to 9 plus 16. AC square equals to 25. AC equals to under root of 25. AC equals to 5. So therefore the displacement is 5 kilometers. So now to calculate the velocity, we have to divide the displacement by the time. So the displacement is 5 kilometers. So 5 divided by the time, which is 5 divided by 1 hour, 5 kilometers by 1 hour equals to 5 kilometer per hour. If you want to convert these units in 2 meter per second, please watch the speed video. Links in the description. There I have explained the conversions of units. You might have got a doubt that if your initial point and final point is same, then what would be the displacement? As the displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final point, if your initial point and final point is the same place, then the displacement will be 0. So you have to calculate the velocity. If the displacement is 0, then 0 divided by the time taken. So then you will get the velocity. Now coming to the another topic of acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity unit time. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square, and the formula of acceleration is change of velocity by time taken. Means the means we have to find the difference between the final velocity minus the initial velocity divided by the time. So we will get the acceleration. Now through an example, we will know about acceleration. Suppose you are traveling from point A to point B. From point A, which you have started your journey, you are traveling in a velocity of 20 meter per second. And while reaching to point B, your final velocity is 30 meter per second. And the time taken is 30 seconds. Means for traveling A to B, you took only 30 seconds. So now we have to find the acceleration. As we know, the acceleration is change in velocity by the time taken. So to find the acceleration, we have to find the difference of final velocity and initial velocity, and it should be divided by the time taken, which is 30 seconds. As the final velocity is 30 meter per second and initial velocity is 20 meter per second, the time taken is 30 seconds. V 30 meter per second minus U 20 meter per second divided by T 30 seconds. After the subtraction of 30 meter per second and 20 meter per second, we will get the answer as 10 meter per second by 30 seconds. So now we can cancel 0 and 0. So after cancellation of 10 and 10 divided by 30, we will get the answer as 1 meter per second by 3 seconds. So now if we will send the seconds down, we will get as 1 meter divided by 3 second into second. So we will get it as 0.33 meter per second square. As the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square, we have to keep it as meter per second square only. Therefore, acceleration is 0.33 meter per second square. Now coming to the another topic, scalar and vector quantities. Scalar and vector quantities are two types of quantities. Scalar quantities has only the magnitude. Magnitude is the numerical value of a physical quantity. Whereas in vector quantity, there is both magnitude and direction. Examples of scalar quantities are speed, mass, and time, etc. And examples of vector quantities are velocity, acceleration, displacement, etc. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood what is velocity, acceleration and scalar vector quantity. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.